In today's video, we're exploring a healthier take on the classic French dish, chicken fricassee. This recipe is both delicious, healthy, and simple to prepare. Stay tuned to the end to discover the unique twist that elevates this dish to new heights of healthiness. What is it? Let's dive in and find out. First, prepare 1 pound of trimmed boneless skinless chicken thighs or breasts, if you prefer, seasoned with just salt and pepper. I have olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. We are going to cook each side of the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. So we're almost done here, probably around 30 seconds or so. And then I'm going to set the chickens aside and start sauteing the vegetable and get things rolling to make the sauce. So I'm starting by sauteing half a medium onions diced. After the onions are tender, we're going to add 4 cloves of chopped garlic and saute that for about 30 seconds or so. Now I'm going to add 5 ounces of sliced mushrooms. They can be either sliced or quartered, whichever you prefer. I like them sliced. So then I'm going to cook these for about 3-4 minutes. We're almost there. Now I'm going to add half a cup of white wine, either Chablis or Chardonnay or any other. If you don't want to use wine, you can use the chicken broth instead. Let that simmer for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add half a cup of chicken broth. Now if you did not want any white wine, so the total would be 1 cup of chicken broth. And then I'm going to add 1 bay leaf and mix. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Mix. And then 1 teaspoon of oregano. So we're going to let this simmer for 3-4 minutes and start working on the sauce. And now I'm combining 2 cups of full-fat Greek yogurt with half a teaspoon of cornstarch. The cornstarch will help stabilize the yogurt, preventing it from curdling. Mix the ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Now I'm going to turn it off and let it cool. Now I'm going to gradually add in some small amounts of the hot liquid from the skillet to the yogurt. Now if you get some seasoning, onions, mushrooms in there, no worries. And then I'm going to use a whisk, mix them continuously. This gradual temperature increase also allows the yogurt to adjust without curdling. It is crucial to allow the ingredients in the skillet to cool down before adding the yogurt. Now I'm gradually adding the yogurt to the skillet and mixing with the other ingredients. Take your time. Okay, now we're getting ready to add the chickens back to the skillet. I'm gonna turn the heat on. We gotta put it on the very low for a few minutes. Let's take the bay leaf out. We don't want that. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to taste. I'm gonna put the chickens back into the sauce and make sure they're Cover it with the sauce. And now we're going to garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley. Full-fat yogurt is a creamy, lower-calorie alternative to heavy cream with added probiotics for gut health, making it a healthier choice. So you want to turn the stove back on, but put it on the low. You don't want it on high because it gets curdled. Um, so keep it on low until the chickens are warm. I'm enjoying my chicken fricassee with some brown rice. You can use either rice, pasta, anything you like. Bon appetit! If you found value in this video and want more, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button as I share weekly content focused on healthy eatings, different recipes, and kitchen tips and tricks backed by over 30 years of my experience. Also, please check out my other videos on your screen. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.